Musyi wa minista munene Raila Odinga niwamumeta mututia ta mundu unai vata na muuo na ngwatanio na kwenda akenya mose muvw'ano wake Muka wa Raila mundu Ida Odinga niwaweta Raila ta unamenete ulusani na itomo mwiitu wake Winnie Odinga nake niwaelesya undu ithe unatiiwe ni thayu mokoni make kuyanthi ya India manene achareni chambo ya siamwi wa mututia Raila kiwanzani cha Nyayo Stadium musini wa Ilovi bene musau ni wako tuvingo ya vilingi na ile vote.
Musyi wa Prime Minister wambe mututia Raila Odinga niwamulilikanana ata unai muome ithe na mundu unendete nthi yake Muka wake Ida aimulilikanana ata mundu unavuya mbeo ya muuo aiweta miaka 52 ila mekalania mutwanoni akenya memwita ithe wo kana baba nundu anosa kila umweta ula wake mundu unamenete itomo na ulusani.
One thing that he kept on repeating to me is that we must urge Kenyans to live in peace. Raila hated dishonesty. He hated dishonesty. He hated greed. The greed that have affected the main fabric of our society. The greed that leads to stealing from the public coffers. The greed that leads to corruptions. That's the kind of thing that Raila would not have liked to see.
Mwiitu wake Winnie Odinga niwaweta vinyolo na ithe onandakika sia mwiso aimuweta tangu mbao nake mwiitu wake Rosemary aimulikana ithe ta munyanya mutai na mundu wakoso ta muvw'ano.
He died strong when with dignity and with pride. And you must be proud of that. You all must also walk with your heads held high and walk strong and proud that he left as a gentleman.
To me, he was my advisor. He was a friend. He was also someone who understood me very well and my children and my siblings.
Raila Odinga Junior mwanae wa mututia Raila Odinga ndini wa kumeta ithe ni wa muikithisia kana nukusuvia musyi wo evo nyinya wake Ida na etuanya Rosemary na Winnie.
Thank you for believing in me, encouraging me to speak up and to try new things, for always hearing me out. Thank you for your wisdom, your guidance, and your unwavering love, not just for me, but our entire family. Mama, Fidel, Rosie, Winnie, Yvonne, Lion Amolo Odinga, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga.
Kuma kwi masitwa kivathukanio ala mututia oneskie namo ni nthi yonthe baba ngumbau tinga kati wa angi isitwa Raila yendeya na kutua ilekoni sia aingi.
My brother loved justice from the beginning. He loved to hear news. And one day he was late in school, and when the teacher asked him what he was doing, he said he was still listening to the radio. He wanted to hear news. And he was only at standard 3, standard 4. So Raila was a no-nonsense man. He entertained no mediocrity. Raila did not want mediocrity.
Vilingi wa Muvo Mutongo TV nyenita wa Ben Mosao.